Hello folks, here is my unboxing of the Thinkpad T14 Generation 7. This is the new, more repairable laptop from Lenovo. iFixit gave this laptop a 10 out of 10 score for repairability. In some ways this T14 is impressive, but to be honest it is not perfect. This unit has the low-end Ryzen 5 Pro 215 processor and it is not fast. The Geekbench 6 scores were fine, but they don't tell the full story, whereas the Geekbench AI scores reveal a weakness in the AI department. For instance, running LM Studio with an 8 billion parameter model which fit entirely into the RAM, I saw only 7 tokens per second with the CPU backend. The GPU was not utilized, and the 215 does not have an NPU. One bright spot is the 45% NTSC screen, which is quite alright for office applications and programming, contrary to the whining of some tech reviewers who insist we all need an OLED or a 100% sRGB IPS panel. The port selection of this laptop is sufficient and acceptable, but not quite as good as that of the L14 Thinkpad. The RAM is thankfully not the expensive LP CAN type, it is the normal SODIMM stick and there are 2 slots. The keyboard is easily replaceable, but quality-wise it feels about the same as an IdeaPad's keyboard, which is to say not great. It is just good. Thinkpad keyboards of today will never be as good as those of the IBM-era ThinkPads. The biggest disappointment of the T14 Gen 7 is, as with most Windows laptops, the touchpad. It is cheap plastic and flimsy, which makes a mockery of the hard work that engineers put into perfecting other components. This touchpad tends to make a snap sound when tapped lightly at any location. When you click, it sounds better than the Generation 6 laptop's click, which was more of a crunch, but you have to like clicking. If you prefer tapping, you will want a haptic touchpad, or just get a MacBook. The T14 can't be configured with a haptic touchpad. So, should people buy this laptop? There's a problem. Lenovo recently raised their prices across the board by $300 to $400. This makes the T14 Gen 7 less appealing. It offers less value for the money. If you want to buy this one, wait for a sale or wait until the AI bubble has popped. Good day to you.